We are here at Disney's California Adventure. Let's start off. Rope drop just started, and unfortunately, Stolen was closed. They are getting this area ready for the new Mickey show, I'm assuming, because look at that. Playable Cow is up there. We got Goofy. We even have Donald Duck and Daisy and Pete. Or Pete, is Pete gonna come here? We got so many fun characters. So yeah, this is gonna be the new Mickey show. It will start on the 70th date, which is in May. So you can look up if it's open when you're visiting. All right, that's our update for that right now. Let's go around. But this is, yeah, right here in the front of the park. This is basically for a family or kids show, and even Pluto. That's so cool. And they're retheming it right now to be a Mickey's Clubhouse show. So let's go, Mickey. You've been asking for it. The geyser has been coming back, everyone. That's right. The geysers are coming back here at the Grizzly River Run, giving them a little bit of authentic boom boom. Here it comes. It's geysing. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's the sixth wonder of the world. Yep, geysers are back. Look at that. Oh, it's big. Gosh, that was a big geyser. Look at that thing, guys. Look at that. How big that geyser is. We have not had that in a long time. That thing is awesome. Look at this area. This area feels so authentic with those geysers back. And even this one, that one's going pretty high too. Dang. Well, welcome back, California Adventure.
Outfits, because when it's cold, she has her jacket, and then I'm like, should I ask want to go? Hi, Mom, nice to meet you again. I love you so much.
Look, who's visiting it?
They're coming out over here. Drew's getting 2 thumbs up. If you want to meet them, they're right on the side of Little Mermaid and also in between the Grizzly River ride. And right here you can also see, sometimes this is some Disney magic left behind by the cast members. Only at Disney. There's some awesome music over here happening with some young youth, but over here some penguins. The secrets of the penguins, guys. Ooh, what secrets do penguins hold, huh? If you guys want to look up a funny fact, look up one of the islands that we just tariffed in the United States. All the residents are penguins. So I guess the secrets of the penguins are they need to be paying their fair share of taxes when they're importing their ice, I guess. Anyway, all right, guys, that's the secrets of penguins right here at Disney's California Adventure.
Soloist in this next tune, written in 2017, which is called Havana. Features Elijah on trombone, Emery on alto sax, Caleb on alto, Jay on trombone, Carissa on tenor, Mai on piano back here, and EJ on trumpet. This is Havana.
Disney California Adventure Food and Wine Festival is proud to present Sabrina Lentini Band.
Thank you. Hello, everybody. So happy to be here once again at Disney California Adventure Food and Wine Festival. I hope you're having a beautiful start to the day. And I'm ready for a gorgeous day here, making music with my good friends. Tim on the drums. Mark on the bass, Josh on lead guitar, and I'm Sabrina Lentini. Thank you so much for having us. And here's a classic Disney song. You know it. Sing along. I'm the king of the swingers of the jungle. Yeah.
at this line to meet Lightning McQueen. Normally it's right around this curve, but right now it is just all the way out here. Look at this. Way back here to meet Mr. Lightning McQueen. Just insane. Right here, Springs Racers. This is popping off here because it's spring break.
Uh-oh. Something's happening. You want to stand up?
I've got this. Intrusion alarm level 2. All units alerted. My turn. Let's try this again. Who sent you? An old friend. System offline. Assets at risk. Incoming call from Mr. Stark. Friday, don't put him through!
Yeah, she put me through. Hi, Nat. Everything okay? You need help?
I don't need help!
Yeah, I sent help.
Intruders!
It's annoying.
This is a fight you cannot win.
T'Challa, the vibranium!
Leave it to me.
We've got it. Let's go. Friday, seal off Bay 94. Yes, Ms. Romano. Bay 94 secured.
This is not going to end well for you.
Looking for this?
Not today.
You know how this ends.
Hey, Pluto! There he goes. There they go. Whistle while you work, as they say. being interrogated by Kylo Ren.
Here we go. I am not impressed with your sources. That's not what they told us, sir. You act on nothing more than their word. Yes, sir. Think about that. Copy. Understood.
Hahaha. And Ray as well.
Just like we ran some song. When it's over, oh, we get good. That's the days we then recall. Rich and poor and beggar and thief, doctor, lawyer, merchant, chief. We all are bound for. This is it. Your shining moment.
Thanks, guys. Folks, you're coming on a very special day. Today, in the Magic Kingdom, today is National Bass Solo Day. Who doesn't love a bass singer? Because normally, all the basses will all be able to sing up here. Bum, bum, bum.
Farewell, my old true love. I'm gonna go away and leave you. Never see where, never gonna see where you're gonna sail on that merry boat, never to return again. So goodbye, farewell, so long forever. Goodbye, Magnolia. Goodbye, Magnolia. Goodbye, Magnolia. We'll sing a little song, and it won't be very long. About so long, so
Happy Bay Solo Day.
There's a Dapper Dan's, everyone. They do a couple performances around here. And there's Walt watching over us. That's his old apartment where he would watch, and they keep the light on for him. If you guys like this video, like, subscribe for more content from Disneyland and other theme parks.